Craft your imagination.
Let's make a spin drum!
Here's what you'll need: cardboard, scissors, a stapler, glue, a pencil, string, tape, 2 beads, decorative paper, a chopstick, decorative tape, and a blow dryer. I start by cutting off one panel of a cardboard box. I cut a strip of cardboard that's about the width and the length of a ruler. I use a wooden dowel to roll up my strip. The same technique I used for the rain stick. Now you don't have to use a dowel for this. You can use any kind of rounded tool, like a marker. I open my curled strip into a circle and then I set it aside. I grab my tape and I trace its circular shape twice. I cut out my cardboard circles. I staple my ring. I cut a piece of string, about 8 or 10 inches. Then I tie on my wooden beads. I make sure the knot is nice and tight. And I do the same with the other bead. Now I find the center of my ring and I make a mark on each side. I find the middle crosswise as well. Mark it on both sides, then I cut halfway through each marked side. Now I slide my beaded string through the side grooves. But before I can use my string, I cut 2 notches in the top and bottom of my ring. I reform my circle. I reinsert my string with beads. Then I insert my chopsticks. I work the chopsticks down and inside the bottom slots and through the top slot. I reform my circle again. Then I glue on the top, just like with the rain stick. I dry it. Do the same thing to the other side. Remember to press down firmly to make the glue stick. Dry it. Now for the fun part. It's time to decorate. For this spin drum, I decide to use the decorative tape. Jojo helps me get it just right. Once we're done taping, I cut out smaller circles to add to the front and the back of my spin drum. To save time, I apply a generous amount of glue to just one circle. Then I put the backs of them together and they're both ready to stick on. Well done, Jojo. Well done. Now you can leave your chopstick bare, but I decide to wrap mine with tape.